I'm Danny McCarthy. I'm the Senior Manager for the SAP technical team for CSM Bakery Solutions. We are a premium bakery product and bakery ingredient company, and we serve global organization. We use SAP for everything from our ERP to our supplier relationship management, customer relationship management, production planning. We had our maintenance directly with SAP. It wasn't too bad working at the time. However, we found that there was really from a ticket creation and ticket resolution point of view, it was really lacking. We wanted someone that could really work with us directly, let's say in a family-orientated manner rather than working for us as just an organization. Let's say from a money point of view, it is expensive SAP maintenance directly with SAP. We've got quite a lot of well-skilled SAP technical and functional people. They found that working with SAP was quite hard in certain factors because they had got one person that didn't work with them directly on every ticket. We wanted someone that had a named person to work with all the time. From most of the time that you work with SAP, it's via a ticket. They don't offer you that proactive support. They'll only support you once you've created a ticket, and with that ticket, it will be resolved, like I already said, by a team of people, not by a direct person. With Spinnaker, it's massively different. Okay, first of all, we get a named person in most cases that is working with us. That's all organized by an account manager that we have interaction with on a weekly basis as well. But also during the process, we've had many calls with you guys at Spinnaker to say, what improvements can we make for you? For example, we have a new dashboard that can help with your monitoring. We've been working with another company. Here's what that can do for you. Are you interested? Right from the start, everyone I've ever met at Spinnaker have been really friendly. Whenever we speak to someone at Spinnaker, it's all about CSM. What can we do for you? Not how big we are or what we do in the wider audience. It's more what we can do. Every single person I've met has been friendly, have been open and honest about what can be done and what can't be done. When you're talking to a company that you're paying for a service, of course they're going to be friendly. You can tell that, but the difference between someone that's doing it false and someone that's not, you can normally tell that. And I think with Spinnaker, they've done it because they want to do it, not because they have to do it. If you are working with a product for so long and you're getting a support, it doesn't matter if that support is good or bad, you are getting something. And if you move to somebody else, how do you know that you're going to get that same support? To move to that point and to get people to understand internally that they're still going to get the same support or better if they chose someone else. I was one of them myself. I thought at the beginning, are we going to get that same support with Spinnaker as we did with SAP? And as it happens, it's actually better. From the moment that we'd informed SAP that we were leaving, and from the moment that we picked Spinnaker as our provider, the time frame was really short. I think we only had 2.5 months to start that process. What was good about Spinnaker is that right from the start, we had continuous communication. They gave us all that information and they kept us updated on a weekly basis. what is happening, how it is happening, what people are doing, what information, what they needed from us, what they could do, what they couldn't do with SAP. You need the support of your higher management team. And of course, the money will certainly help them guys. However, you also then need the support of your technical team and your functional team within the SAP area, internally if you have one, and make them realize that actually jumping off that cliff, taking the support from someone else, is actually a huge jump, but is a jump in the right direction.